Yeah. Uh, so I've gone through most of stocks in our watch list and a little bit of other stocks. So let me just quickly tell you what I planned for today. So Tesla, obviously, we are looking at right now. We wanted to, if I was on the desk yesterday, I might have also tried to buy at this area as well, but mm, in the later parts, obviously, since it was at the support back then, and I am expecting another like mm, round of round of a breakout today after the market opens. The S&P and Nasdaq are opening both higher. So expectedly, we can expect the big stocks to follow. So among those, Tesla is a prime contender for us. There is also Netflix, which rallied yesterday. We know, but then it pulled back quite a bit on from the daily top of 492. It closed at only 486, which is about 1.5% lower. So I think it might test that high again, maybe test higher near the 500 mark. So that's another breakout because of the pullback that is given like follow up chance for us. So uh, I'm also looking at that. Nvidia has pulled back from 500 plus 504 plus, and in the pre-market even more. It's at 495. I'll be looking at 485, 490 areas, especially for us to buy this. Uh, so I would be looking at like breakout in this area, but I don't think by the time for the time I'm in the market it will happen. Maybe happen in the later in the market, but yeah, if it happens even in these areas, I may try to, if I get the time from the others, I may try to target it as well. So Google similarly is going to try to target that monthly top at 139, 138.5, 139 area. So that I think makes it a very good uh, mm, opportunity as well. Similarly to Tesla, this I would have also tried to buy yesterday, since it was right at the super trend support, closed above. If we were at the close of the market, or even at this point, which was uh, which was about an hour after I left, it was also probably a buy. So in any case, yeah, that's the third prime opportunity for us as well. So Google would be higher than Nvidia. There is Amazon as well, which is very good. Has been trading ridiculously well. uh, you can see that this follow-up trade alone is about 5% in the last two trading sessions. So yeah, it broke the 148 barrier, which it had 150 barrier, which it had been struggling for quite some time. If we look at the long term chart, I'm not going to go into that, but yeah, it has been having a difficulty to break out that 150, and since it has, I think yeah, it can obviously target higher highs. Uh, but yeah, it's quite exhausted. If we look at the RSI, it looks quite exhausted. Even if we look at long-term RSI, so if we look at the hourly 14 hourly, it's way above 70. If we look at even 14-day RSI, it's about near 70 as well. So these things, I think, yeah, needs to be considered as well. But for the very short term opportunity trading we are doing, we are going to obviously see, like, be in the market for a very small time. So we can also target Amazon if breakout happens. Microsoft is one other that has been trading well, but not quite well. That uh, it can be considered a very good trade. But I think today it could be a good one as well for a half a percent, 1% maybe, to that 377, 378 level. So if that happens, yeah, it's also good. I would like to try it. Try to take it at 372, 373 area. If it is opening much higher, I will not necessarily try to trade it, because that would increase our risk and make us it will be too far away from any support level. So I think, yeah, it's an opportunity I'll be cautious about, and only if there are not other opportunities, I'll look to it. So apart from these main ones, there are some like outliers, shorter, like type of opportunities which can be great as well. So among the big ones is Verizon. Verizon is breaking out. Uh, yeah, we have relatively good indicators, but yeah, if this does break out, it can be good as well intraday. There is Merck, another, like from the health, Merck and Pfizer, both of them. It had just a breakout. It's just going up. MACD is crossing over. The Fisher could easily cross over. There could easily be a breakout. So these things, if these things happen, we might target 107 or more, and try to exploit that. It's all has a lot of support. Sorry, resistance ahead also. So yeah, so it's not bad. Pfizer, if we look at it, is pretty good. There is a certain like drop on Wednesday. I don't exactly know what happened. I will have to read about it. But yeah, it's a great opportunity. Everything is lining up. The histogram is changing. Yeah, it can be an easy target on the up as well intraday. That it looks very good. The volume and other aspects of the trade is obviously fine. I checked. Uh, so this Chewy is one of the high volume. It saw like really good like after hours volume yesterday at close. So that makes it pretty interesting opening. And if since it's making a new high, it could rally. It's a possibility of that. So everything is quite not quite bad, and if it does so, if we have the time from the others, we can obviously try to catch this as well. And AMC is something all that is also I'll be keeping an eye on. So it's at like bottom of the pits. Like it has nowhere lower to really go from here. It's already trading at all-time lows. So if we look at it, this is the daily chart for AMC. If you look at it, so from 140 dollar plus in September 2022, it's trading at 75, $6.75. So that GME AMC thing really is a thing of the past now. But on the short term, yeah, I am quite interested in this as well. It can give outsized returns if we can catch good entry. Obviously, these AMC or the risky ones from the bottom, I would be open to. I'd be really cautious about the size as well. So if I'm trading these, I'm going to take that 20-25 range. But if I'm going to trade these, I'm going to take it on the 5 to 10k range, and not more than that. Uh, because these are more risky in terms of the price action, the volume. There can be certain big trades that are coming in, affecting the whole price as well, which these billion trillion dollar, 100 billion trillion dollar stocks is not going to happen. So I think also these are more news susceptible as well. Smaller or minor news can affect these as well. So I'm not keen on trading this, but I am going to keep an eye out. And if there is not much there in these, I might take one or two chances here. That's about it, I think. Yeah. A SPY and QQQ are going to, I think, keep being that shaky upside thing. Do that's gonna continue. I think it's gonna trade in between, maybe close with 0.3%, 0.4%. I don't think it has much. There are a couple of Fed speaks as well. I don't know what they're trying to do uh, with this confusion all around. Some are saying that the rates are going to come down, and some are saying that talks of cuts are premature. So I don't know what the plan is, but whatever they are doing is not affecting the stocks too much. So I don't think we have to worry about that in this part of the uh, operation. In any case, if you have any questions, kindly let me know. Yeah, thank you. Let's trade.